Hello, I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to do a paper reading on ChatGPT 4. Let's talk about the introduction of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, which widely accepts the text inputs and provides the output as text, and has a positive impact in multitask in aspect of professional and academic purpose. And the results has passed more than the top of 10% of test takers. And let's talk about its motivation and its significance. To improve on complex tasks and benchmark, and to highly dependent on reliable and controllable AI systems, creating an infrastructure for predictable scaling of AI models. So the AI model has been designed in the form of a transfer-based model, and it is being pre-trained to predict the next token present in the document. And it also underwent the post-training alignment process, which improvised the factuality and adherence to the desired behavior. Coming to learn about the methodology training process. Trained on publicly available and licensed data, web scale corpus, including diverse content, and finely tuned using reinforcement learning with human feedback. Developed infrastructure for predictable scaling across multiple scales. And how did the experimental setup has been done? Let's get to know about it. Evaluated on various professional and academic benchmarks, tested on exams designed for humans, for example, simulated bar exam, compared performance with ChatGPT 3.5, and it has performed much better than it, and also has taken the human test takers access capabilities in multilingual context. And the key results has a massive results. Passed a simulated bar exam with a score in top 10% of test takers, and has performed, as mentioned earlier, that it has performed better than GPT 3.5 version, and demonstrated a strong performance in multiple languages and showed the ability to follow a user content. Safety and alignment. It has been incorporated safety reward signal during RLHF training, and it shows a decrease of 82% in responses to the requests which are disallowed to show the content, and 29% improvement in handling a sensitive case results. Predictable scaling accurately predicted ChatGPT's 4 performance using models with 1 by thousandth the compute, and developed methodology to predict interpretable metrics. Strengths of the methodology. Multimodal capabilities like text and image inputs. A human level performance on various tasks improve safety and alignment features. Predictable scaling, allowing for accurate performance predictions. Let's talk about the limitations and the challenges being faced. Not fully reliable, which means it can be experienced the hallucinations and has a limited window context, and it does not learn from the experience. Potential for biased outputs based on the training data. Concerns about the privacy and the intellectual property rights. So, what are the things which can be uh, implemented in the future, and what can be improvised? So let's say talk about the potential uses like dialogue systems, system summarization, machine translation, outgoing research needed for improving reliability in high stakes context, enhancing confidence and uncertainty estimation, addressing privacy and ethical concerns, developing robust evaluation frameworks. To the conclusion, let's talk about the summarizing the what PPT slides. So ChatGPT 4 represents a significant advancement in AI capabilities and better than the previous versions, demonstrates a potential for wide-ranging applications, highlights importance of ongoing research in AI safety and ethics, opens new avenues for future developments in language models. And that would be all. Thank you.